Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our GK subjects. So let's start with the first chapter of the GK textbook. We'll start with the first lesson, that is Wonderful Waterfalls. I think so most of them have seen waterfalls. So what is a waterfall? Water falling from a great height in a series of drops, we call it as a water drops. And you know, waterfall is a very exciting sight to see. All the waterfalls are not given the same name. They are given names depending on how they fall. So all the waterfalls falling from the height are not in the same way. That's why they have given different names depending on how they fall. So today we are going to learn some of the world famous waterfalls. The first waterfall we are going to learn is Igazi River Waterfall. So the first waterfall is Igazi River Waterfall. So it is a series of 275 falls along the Igazi River on the border between Argentina and Brazil. So you can see in the picture there are not only one waterfall. You can see there are many different series. It is in a series. This Igazi River waterfall, it is not one or two fall, it is 275 falls. That's why it is one of the natural wonders of the world. Now let's see the second waterfall. The name of the second waterfall is Angel Falls. It is located in Venezuela. So the Angel Fall, it is located in Venezuela. Its Spanish name is Salto Angel. The Spanish name given is Salto Angel. It is the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall. So you can see in the picture that the water falling from the height. So it is called as world's tallest and it is called as uninterrupted waterfall. Why it is called as uninterrupted waterfall? Because there is no break in the fall. It is falling continuously from the height and without a break. That's why it is called as uninterrupted waterfall. So Angel Fall, it is located in Venezuela. Its Spanish name is Salto Angel. It is the world's tallest and uninterrupted waterfall. Now let's see the next waterfall. It is called Victoria Falls. It is one of the largest waterfalls in the world. You can see in the picture. It is called as one of the largest waterfalls in the world. It is located in Africa. So this Victoria waterfall, it is located in Africa. Its traditional name is the smoke that thunders. That is another name given, that is traditional name given to this Victoria Fall is the smoke that thunders. Why is it called as the smoke that thunders? Because it is said that when the river gets flooded, it is covered with full of mist. It will be a very cloudy smoke. That's why it is said that another name is given as smoke that thunders, because when it gets flooded, it looks like a mist that rises from a cloud. And it is also listed as a UNESCO World Heritage. Why it is listed in the UNESCO? Because it is a area that has a legal protection. And also these sites are given cultural, historical, scientific and other importance. Now let's see the next waterfall. The name of the next waterfall is Niagara Waterfall. Niagara Waterfall, it is one of the most famous falls in the world. Niagara Waterfall, it is located in North America at the border of Canada and USA. As it is located in North America at the border of Canada and USA, it has three falls. It has given with the name of three falls, that is American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls and Horseshoe Falls. So Niagara Waterfall, it is the widest and most powerful waterfall in the world. It is located in North America at the border of Canada and USA. You can see in the picture Niagara Waterfall, it is wide. You can see it is wide, not heighted, it is wide waterfall. Now let's see the last waterfall from the chapter, that is Kaieteur Waterfall. So Kaieteur Waterfall, it is one of the most powerful falls in the world. It is called as the most powerful waterfalls in the world. You can see from the picture that how powerful the water is falling from the height. So it is located in Guyana, that is in South America. It's located in Guyana in South America. So this waterfall, it is located in the Amazon rainforest. So it is in the Amazon rainforest. Kaithur waterfalls, it is the world's largest single drop waterfall. So it is also called as world's largest single drop waterfalls in the world. So students, I think so you have understood the 5 waterfalls, 5 famous, world famous waterfalls, that is Niagara Falls, Ikazi Falls, Victoria Falls, Angel Falls and Kaituri waterfalls. Now let's see the exercise part. Now in the exercise part, you can see that pictures are given with the descriptions. So you have to match the which waterfalls, name of the waterfalls belong to which pictures and which description. So we will see the first one. It is in the first picture you can see that it is written, it is a series of 275 falls along the Iguazu river on the border between Argentina and Brazil. So already we have seen that the first waterfall we have learned is Iguazu river. So you can see the series of 275 waterfalls. So you can match with the B. It is one of the natural wonders of the world. That is first one, answer is B, Iguazu waterfall. Now let's see the second picture. It is, can see in the picture, it is located in Venezuela. Its Spanish name is Salto Angel. So we have learned that Angel Falls, that is the world's it is the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall is called as Angel Falls. So you can match the second one with the B, that is Angel Falls. Now see the third one. It is one of the largest waterfalls in the world. It is located in Africa. So the traditional name given is the smoke that thunders. So we have learned that it is listed in the UNESCO World Heritage Site. So it is called as the Victoria Falls. So you can, third one you can match with the C. Now see the fourth one. It is one of the most famous falls in the world. So it is the widest and most powerful waterfall. That is, we have already learned that it has 3 falls, that is American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls and Horseshoe Falls. So we call Niagara Falls as the 3 falls, that is American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls and Horseshoe Falls. That is the most famous falls in the world. It is the Niagara Falls. So you can match fourth one with the A. Now see the last one, that is fifth one. It is one of the most powerful falls in the world. It is located in Guyana, that is in South America. So we have already learned that most powerful waterfalls in the world, that is located in Guyana, that is in the Amazon forest. So it is located in the Amazon forest. So the name of that waterfall is called Kaituri waterfalls. So you can match the fifth one with the E. Okay students, I think you have understood the wonderful waterfalls. That is, we have learned 5 world famous waterfalls. You can go through it and see you soon. Thank you.